Hey everyone, welcome to Vegworks. Today I'm making chole pindi. Now, as the name suggests, this chole has its origin in Rawalpindi region, but it is widely made in the whole of northern India. It's a lot different when compared to the chole we get in the southern part of India. This is a no onion, no garlic, no tomato chole. So let's get started. I've taken chickpeas and I've soaked it overnight. Now we'll need a fine muslin. To that we'll add in 1 bay leaf, some pepper, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, some green cardamom, some cloves, and about 4 tea bags. If you don't have tea bags, you can use the tea powder. This is the black tea bags. Now we'll just make a knot. So this bag is ready. We'll just put it inside. We'll add in a bit of salt and a little bit of baking soda. Now we'll pressure cook this for about 3 whistles. This bag will lend in the flavors and change the color of the chole. So now let's pressure cook this. We'll add in 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, some cumin, some fennel, some red chilli dry, some fenugreek, now we'll add 3-4 cardamom, green cardamom, 1 black cardamom, Star Anise, some mace, bay leaf, 1 inch cinnamon, and some cloves. Now we'll switch this off. Now we'll add in some Anardana, some black salt. Now we'll add about 2 tablespoons of mango powder. Since there are no tomatoes in this, we need to compensate with the mango powder, the black salt and the Anardana. Now if you don't have Anardana, just add in an extra spoon of mango powder. Now we'll just powder this. The chana has been cooked. See, the color has changed completely. Now we can discard this bag. We need to now strain this. We need to keep the water aside and then we'll transfer this into a pot. The chickpeas has been drained completely, but I've kept the water aside. Now I've not lit the gas as yet. We'll add in some green chilli, some ginger julienne. We'll add in the powdered masala, 3 to 4 tablespoons. We'll pour in some hot ghee over the masala. We'll cover this and set it aside for about 10 to 15 minutes and allow the masala to seep into the chole. It's been 15 minutes. We'll add in the strained water a little bit, more chili powder, some salt. Now we'll cook this on low heat until the water is completely absorbed. All the water is completely absorbed. Once this water dries up, we can pour in the remaining water. We'll add the last of the water. Now at this point you can check the seasoning, the spice, amchur, and you can add whatever you want. You can top it with some ginger juliennes. Pindi Chole is ready. It is typically served with Puri or Bature.